In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Notion template and share it with others. If you've created a useful Notion page and want other people to use it as their own template, the process is actually very simple. The key is to make sure your page is clean, easy to understand, and ready for the public before you share the link. Start by opening the Notion template you want to publish. This should be the exact page you want people to see and duplicate. Before you make it public, take a moment to review everything on the page carefully. You want to remove any private or personal information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, passwords, account details, internal notes, or anything else that should not be shared publicly. Since this page will be accessible through a public link, it's important to treat it as something anyone could potentially view. Once the page is cleaned up, add clear instructions so users know how to use it. This is a very important part of sharing a template because even a well-designed setup can feel confusing if there's no guidance. You can include a short welcome section at the top of the page that explains what the template is for, how to get started, and what each section is meant to do. Keep the instructions simple and direct so new users can understand the layout right away. When your template is ready, go to the top right corner of Notion and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for the page. From there, turn on Share to Web. This makes the page publicly accessible through a link. After that, enable Duplicate as Template. This setting allows other people to copy the page into their own Notion workspace instead of just viewing it. That's what makes the page function as a true template. Next, copy the public Notion link. This is the link you'll give to your audience so they can access and duplicate the template for themselves. Before sharing it widely, it's a good idea to test the link to make sure everything appears the way you expect and that the duplicate option is working properly. Finally, share the link on your website, marketplace, or social media, depending on where your audience is most likely to find it. Once the link is live, anyone with access can open your Notion template and make their own copy. And that's it. Your template is now published and ready to be used.